The first to appear before Magistrate Ojo was Professor John Oladopo Obofunwa, a forensic pathologist and chief medical examiner for Lagos State. In his evidence, the chief medical examiner said Bayo Awosika's body showed evidence of prior embalmment, an indication that the body had earlier been embalmed before it was brought to his attention. As what could have been the cause of death, he said it resulted from disruption of brain tissue, bleeding, and multiple fracture of skull due to gunshot injury. He strongly supported the theory that Bayo Awosika died of injuries suffered from gunshot, as there were no injuries noticed in his torso. The police traffic officer at Maroko Police Station, Adejo Umaru, who was on duty on the day of the incident, said the accident was reported at the station at 2:15 a.m. by Sergeant Oguns. The body of Bayo, he said, was conveyed to the hospital around 5 a.m. in a commercial vehicle. Lagos State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice explains how coroner's inquest works.
The coroner's inquest will make a finding as to a probable cause and the circumstances that brought about the death of a deceased person. So that's what this is designed to achieve by law, and that's why this inquest has been convened.
What's your reaction to the arguments by some people that, well, leave the dead is gone?
Well, I mean, in a republic that we live in a modern society, under the constitution of this country, there is a guaranteed right to life. It's in pursuance of that right to life that the coroner's law was passed in several states. The inquest is an integral part of that coroner's law and that right to life. And the reasoning is clear, that if an unusual and a suspicious death occurs that could have been at the hands of somebody, life is precious to this country, and that death must be, other lives must be protected, and that death must be vindicated. So this inquest, this inquiry, is designed to protect people from being wanton in taking other people's lives, knowing as they should that there will be an inquiry. We've got several other witnesses. Now you must recall that an inquest is not adversarial, it is a fact-finding process. We've got about 10 other people who are related to the events that surrounded the death of the demise of the deceased, and they will come and give their account, and the coroner, who is an experienced chief magistrate, will give his verdict, and the law will follow its course.
In the meantime, the case has been adjourned to Friday the 17th of this month.